अजून करू ना हे 90 रुपये झाले
90 झाले
90 आणि 18 180.
We just bought these strawberries. Look at them. So good. Hello again. So yeah, we're done eating the strawberries. There's a few left, so we're going to have that like when we go on the fort. So we are like 2 kilometers away from the fort. See you there. These stones are the wall of the fort we are on, and these are the roots of this magnanimous tree. Wow.
Amazing.
And here are some monkeys. Hello, hello. Look at this is the escape route in this fort. There are these kind of slots here, which I think, I don't know what exactly they must be keeping here, but probably some light, like, you know, those mashals that we say in Marathi. Look at the texture of the rock. This is the view. Look at the clouds. So pretty. These steps are so huge, as you can see. Look at the width. Oh my god. These are really... There's a school picnic here, and that's why there's like so much noise of the kids just screaming. So just excuse that. Yeah. I know it kind of bothers, but I mean it's fine. So yeah, just walking now. I just came down from there, and these are the school kids that are here for the picnic. Crazy noise. Oh, that's fine. Oh, they're screaming because there are monkeys coming. Let me show you. Look at these flowers. These are so unique. Look at this. Wow. Isn't this so pretty? And wow. And the magnanimous statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Okay, so the hair is up. I think we're going to go for lunch now. So this is how they make the bhakri. It's like the traditional Maharashtrian food. These are like all of the little like souvenir shops and stuff like that. Okay, so behind me you see this lake is like one of the 4 lakes that are on this fort. So it is amazing. That is because like many of the, you know, like the Maharaja, Shivaji Maharaj warriors used to actually stay on the fort. That is something I came to know just today. I thought they used to stay like in the village down there, but they actually used to reside on the fort. So this was their residence. So they needed water, right, for like their everyday activities, for drinking. And right behind me, you can see the Pratapgarh Buruz, which is like the watch point, which is like super famous. It is literally in all of the history textbooks in India, school history textbooks. Also, update, we are done with lunch. So now we are walking down the fort. Hello, so we are on our way to Ataseed Point. It is like around 12 minutes, 6.2 kilometers away from Ataseed Point. And the Ataseed Point is like just like half an hour, like 32 minutes away from or like 17 kilometers away from our hotel, MTDC Mahabaleshwar. So that is great. So we are reaching at a good time, so we get like enough time to spend at the Ataseed Point, and then it's like not that far enough to reach home also, so we can get home, get to our hotel room before it turns dark. 5.5 kilometers now. You see Arthur Seat? Look how close these two are. This whole like bus traffic situation is so like annoying because like today apparently I don't know why like all school picnics have decided to go, like all of the like you know the famous tourist spots in Mahabaleshwar. So there are like a bunch of students, like even at Pratapgarh you see I've vlogged like so many students there. And so yeah, so these buses are all of those school picnic buses. We have reached Arthur Seat Point, and this is like the info board they've put here. The point is named after Sir George Arthur, and this point is called the Queen of all points. Hello. Is the Arthur Seat Point. It's around 7. Oh yeah, it's 6:54, and this is how the resort is looking at nights when all the lights are on. So these are like the residential. These are like the cottage rooms where we are staying at. So yeah, the resort is kind of dimly lit actually, but yeah, pretty.